I've watched many tutorials on YouTube for solving this issue, which is causing trouble in creating Apple account, which says could not create account, your account cannot be created at this time. But none of these tutorials actually worked because all of them are doing just for the views. So in this quick video tutorial, let me tell you the only solution which works the best and solves this issue in less than a minute. And that is, you have to first of all open up your Instagram account from another device. Why Instagram, you'll just get to know in a minute. And after that, you have to go to this search button available next to your profile picture if you have the updated version of Instagram. And after that, go to the search bar and search here, how to official 0. And now if you've written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it and you have to tap on the message button available on this profile. Next, you have to write the message here. Hi, I am unable to create an Apple ID, and just send this message. This is my Instagram account, and as soon as you send me a message, I will respond you and I will create an Apple account for you from my device and I'll simply send it to you. But let me tell you that this is gonna be a paid task, like $20-30. So if you are not ready to pay, do not contact me. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. And if you do not want to go with this trick and you don't want to spend money on the solution, you can simply create an account from another device and then log into that into your iPhone. So that's how you fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID's error. Thank you so much.